Hello London explorers. Behind me, City Hall, London City Hall, the new building. In front of me, cable car station, Royal Victoria. Very windy day. This area of London has a lot of new development, and my goal today is to walk around and show you, but we're gonna go there, somewhere there, a footbridge. All of this area used to be very industrial, and they started the renovation projects a couple of years ago. Now you can see more and more new buildings, apartments, offices, hotels. So they want to bring life into this area, and I think it's like, judging from what I see, it's quite successful. She's enjoying the heat wave in London. Very unusual. I don't know, probably you can't hear from here, but someone who lives in that apartment on the balcony, they've got bells. You know, those meditation bells, whatever. And the sound of it is so annoying. And you are a twat if you think that the sound that you like, everyone around you has to like as well. It would drive me absolutely insane to hear this all the time. People. This view in front of me, spectacular, absolutely fantastic. Okay, even though it's beautiful view, the walk is fantastic, architecture is stunning, everything looks perfect. I imagine hearing constant noise of airport and planes can be quite tiring. I really like the detail that those white poles are kind of connected to the detail of the Excel. Okay, it looks like evening. This area is very lively. We've got a bar, restaurant. We've got some grocery shop. We've got another off license. Okay, there is some sign of life here. Okay, my question is, why there's no lift, only stairs? Anyway, we've got another plane. Okay, the view from this footbridge, it's absolutely stunning. Just look at this. This is very interesting. So you know that this bridge is very tall, right? Look here. And this place is London Excel. It's a massive exhibition arena. And here we've got Sunburn. Fancy. Okay, it was absolutely fantastic, guys. I recommend to everyone who wants to see a nice view. Okay, so it looks like we've got some cinema, some immersed London, like House of Dreamers, Cleopatra, all the stuff. Are you ready to dream? Yes, I am. The first immersive exhibition dedicated to dreamers. I dream about clean London. He looks fantastic. Wondering if it's worth it, because probably the ticket is quite expensive. I'm always very skeptical about those kind of immersive experiences. They never are good. Okay, so this is interesting because we know that the Egypt is opening, right? But then I can see a lot of units that are empty here, like this one, or Elvis Revolution. So I assume there was something about Elvis Presley. Okay. Well, Elvis is dead. And also those. All of those are empty. It's intriguing because this spot is absolutely spot on. It's fantastic. You know, it should like be full of people and attractions and people who want to enjoy and relax. Also, look at the view from here. Millennium Mills, Spurs. Admiration time, guys. A beautiful modern piece of architecture. Okay, so this is brilliant, that deck here, but you know what is missing? Benches. Why there is nothing here that people can sit and relax? Why? London City Airport, and you can enjoy takeoff and landing. It's pretty nice, enjoyable walk. It's a very weird feeling here, because I can see there is some modern office buildings around me, We've got the city airport just in front of me. This is great for a walk, for jogging, but somehow it feels very empty. The emptiness, which maybe is not a bad thing, but I think there's so much potential here. Okay, I get it now. Why you wouldn't invest in your office here or an apartment? You just cannot function in this noise. And we are finishing today at Beckton Station, DLR. No, it's actually Beckton Park. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this walk with me today. And see you next time. As always, check out my website if you'd like to buy my travel guide, downloadable ebook with 50 places that you can visit in London. Thank you for today and see you.
Platform 2 is for Tower Gateway.